Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys are seeing me different today, right? This is what you guys want to see, and I know. And yeah, so what I'm up today, I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit what I do on my private life and what I do when I don't go to work. Okay, because a lot of people is super duper mad at me that I'm too private, I don't show so much, I don't do this, I don't do this. Guys, like seriously, don't expect me to put my own life on internet. Life doesn't work that way. Okay, I'm a private person. I like to be a private as much as I can. Okay, so just accept the little one I'm going to be showing you. Okay, and yeah, what I'm up to today, I'm going to be doing my workout in my bedroom. Of course, my bedroom is my motivator. When I just woke up stand up and put on my sportwear and I'm good to go. By the time I start to run around, I'm that kind of person. I love to be in the place which I'm motivated. And yeah, since I'm not going to work today, I'm going to be doing my workout, and then after workout I'm going to be taking my breakfast. After breakfast I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning. Yeah, this is what I'm up to, and I'm going to be filming. I don't know what to film because I have a lot going on around me. I have a lot of content to put out there, but I don't know which one to go first. But let's see. So I decided just to show you a little bit, just to vlog a little bit. Let's see how it goes. This is my first vlog, and of course I told you I vlogged when I was in Cuba, when I went to Nigeria, but I kind of I'm not satisfied with the vlog how it turned out to, because the speaker was not so loud. You barely hear what I'm saying. Even this one, you barely hear what I'm saying. But anyway, I'm not vlogging now with my normal camera. I'm vlogging with the Sony camera, which is a normal vlog camera which everyone owns. But yeah, what I'm going to be doing, I don't think I'm going to be changing this camera for vlogging. I'm going to be looking for I'm going to find the perfect microphone for this camera so you guys can hear me better. So when I'm going to edit this vlog, I believe I'm going to be adding a little bit of volume so you guys can hear my voice. Anyway, one more thing I must tell you, I'm a very strong allergic person. Maybe sometimes you hear me draw my nose on my video or something like that. So yeah, I'm allergic to flowers. When the flowers are growing and they are dropping, like seriously, my nose is really irritated. It's something else, and my eyes is burning like fire. And yeah, and also I'm allergic to dust. I don't like dust. So for this, my house is always on point, point, P-O-I-N-T, point. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And I always have this around me. I have no other choice. Always this around me.
There's a universe inside you. So won't you wake up now and see? Don't hide away the things you're feeling. Unlock your mind and lose the key. There's a universe inside you. You should never have to hide. I can see the stars inside you. Please just open up your eyes. There's a universe inside you. more than people know. I've seen you fighting your emotion. I hope you stay and won't let go. universe inside you. So much love to leave behind. Stop the path of devastation. You should live for all the hype.
Anytime I have this, I feel so refreshed, and yeah, as much the weather is super hot outside, so this is what I need for my soul. Okay.
Inside you, why are you pushing it away? Leave behind your own deception and learn to live another day. There's a universe inside you, your galaxy of happiness. I just wanna help you find it. We'll explore in baby steps. There's a universe inside you. You've gotta give it room to breathe. So let the universe excite you, 'cause that's the way it's meant to be. There's a universe inside you. So won't you wake up now and see? Don't hide away the things you're feeling. Unlock your mind and lose the key. There's a universe inside you. You should never have to hide. I can see the stars inside you. Please just open up your eyes. There's a universe inside you.
So I'm done with my makeup. Something simple, neutral, and lip gloss. I'm wearing the Chanel lip gloss and with some Adele lashes. This is super small lashes. It's not big, it's not valuable. With makeup I wear on my daily basis. Alright, so I had to run and I had to end this vlog right here. I hope you guys like it, you enjoy it. If you do, you know what to do. Thumbs up this video and please leave a comment in the info section below. I'll be glad to read your comment. And if you want to see often vlog from me, you know what to do. Just leave a comment as well. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And notification bell, super duper important. Turn it on so you'll be updated or informed when there's a video on my channel, guys. And I will see you all in my next video very soon. In my next video I'm going to be telling you when I'm going to be uploading, alright, because I really figured out which time is perfect for me. Today is Wednesday, so yeah. And I hope you guys like it. Ciao, cheerio. You know what, don't forget to do you, stay pretty, stay blessed, and I will catch you all later. Ciao ciao.